Usually I give you the 48-hour forecast when I do these little maps for your regions, but we're going to talk about the snow. This is Sunday night, Monday morning around 4 a.m., and it's just starting to get in to the Baltimore area into Delaware. As you can see, it moves across. This is around 5 o'clock in the morning. It's going to make travel very rough. This is around 6 in the morning. Here's 7 in the morning. You can see you've had a couple of inches of snow down here towards Wilmington, parts of Philadelphia, anywhere from 1 to 2 inches. And then it's starting to accumulate early morning on Monday. So make your plans accordingly. As we get to around 10 o'clock, you can see the numbers have picked up, uh, 3 to 4 inches in Philly. Delaware, you're in that 4 inch range. South Jersey, you're also in the 4 inch range. Looking up here towards Reading, you're around 3. Up here towards Allentown, 1 to 2 inches. As this moves on, and you can see where the sweet spot's at. It's Delaware, South Jersey. This is around 8 o'clock in the morning. Your totals on Tuesday, 8 o'clock in the morning on Tuesday. Reading about 4 inches or so, a little more to the south. Again, it's north south. There's a big cutoff line up here. But in Trenton, you will get like 3 inches or four. Philadelphia, depending on your location in this area here, anywhere from 4 to 6 inches. In Delaware, the sweet spot is the center part of the state by Dover, where you can get 8 to 10 inches, maybe even up to 12. Down here in Jersey, South Jersey, you can get 10 inches or so down here. If you're heading up north, again, center part of New Jersey is 2 to 4 inches. Further south, you go a little bit more. So that's kind of what you're looking at with that. And then we have another storm that's going to develop next weekend, and that could be your first nor'easter that comes up the coast. This one strictly comes northwest to east, and it doesn't turn and go northeast. So that's why less snow up this way. But the one next week looks like an I-95 storm next weekend. We have to see if that develops after this one goes through, and then we'll have a better idea on what's going to happen with that. And so just be careful. I think Monday morning is the time when you need to be careful going into work, whether you want to delay going in, whether you want to not go in. But it could be a rough go early Monday morning for people trying to travel until they get some salt on the roads, and it goes back down and it gets wet again. So keep that in mind. So that's your forecast for southeastern PA, Jersey, Delaware, and a little bit towards New York City. And New York City gets saved in this one. Don't rule out any snow up in here. The storm still hasn't fully developed yet, but right now this is the call, and that's what looks like is probably going to happen. But we'll see tomorrow. I'll do another update for the general forecast, not for the locals, but a general forecast, and I'll show you what I think if there's any change tomorrow up this way. All right, everybody, be careful and be safe out there.